I was honored to visit the Alamo in September 2019 in San Antonio, Texas. This is probably the most recognized symbol of the Alamo, and this is the church. There was no filming allowed inside the church. I was able to get clear screen footage of all the signage that I saw around the Alamo, so please feel free to take screenshots if you would like to read further. The 300-year anniversary of the Alamo will be in 2024. In 1724, construction at Mission San Antonio began. It's also known as the Long Barrack. It is the oldest building in Texas. In 1731, colonists from the Canary Islands established Villa San Fernando de Bejar near the mission. In 1756, the mission reaches its maximum population of 328. In 1772, San Antonio de Bejar becomes the capital of Spanish Texas. In 1793, having fulfilled its purpose, the mission closes prior to the completion of the church. In 1803, Spanish soldiers from the town of Alamo de Paris convert the abandoned mission into a military post, and they rename it El Alamo. In 1805, the first hospital in Texas is established at the Alamo. In 1810, Mexico calls for independence from Spain. In 1813, the Spanish Army defeats pro-independence forces at the Battle of Medina near San Antonio. In 1821, Mexico wins independence and adopts a republican constitution. In 1834, Mexican President Antonio Lopez de Santa Anna abolishes the Constitution, igniting revolt across Mexico. In 1835, Texas rebels defeat Mexican forces and capture San Antonio de Bexar. In March 1836, Mexican forces defeat 189 besieged Texans, including David Crockett and James Bowie, at the Battle of the Alamo. In April 1836, Texan troops defeat and capture Santa Anna at the Battle of San Jacinto. Later in 1836, the Republic of Texas is born. In 1845, Texas joins the United States, becoming the 28th state. In 1848, the U.S. Army leases the Alamo from the Catholic Church for use as a quartermaster depot. In 1850, the U.S. Army renovates the Alamo Church, adding a second story and roof. In 1877, the Catholic Church sells the Long Barrack to honor Granette, who converts it into a mercantile store. In 1883, Texas purchases the Alamo Church as a memorial to the defenders. In 1905, the Daughters of the Republic of Texas acquire the Long Barrack and transfer it to the state. In 2004, the Alamo is designated as a National Historic Landmark. In 2015, UNESCO names the San Antonio missions, including the Alamo, a World Heritage Site. And again, in 2024, it will be the 300th anniversary of the Alamo. The Alamo is currently under restoration in many areas, and if you visit, you are able to leave a donation for restoration. I hope you enjoy watching the footage I was able to capture during our visit to the Alamo in September 2019.